Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is pumping right now, which is amazing. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades, my technicals. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. We're buying Bitcoin at 74K. Bitcoin is pumping on the news that USA and China are going to have a tariff discussion and tariff deal, and they're going to make a deal. So they're going to discuss a deal. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in technicals. My account pushing up 672 for the month, from 500 to 672, so almost $170,000 this month, or even $180,000 this month, which is beautiful. This week 659 to 679 to 6. Yesterday was 661 and back to 672. And if you remember, if anyone's saying, oh, but your account was over $1 million, if you remember, I moved half of the account out when Bybit got hacked. So I'm actually up quite a lot. There was 500, now it's plus another 100 and something. Bitcoin above 96,000 right now. It's pumping. If you were buying Bitcoin with me, we were buying it at 74K on April 9th. The 9th of April, so less than 1 month ago, we were buying it at 74K, and now it's 96K on May 7th. So from April 9th to May 7th, up 20K on Bitcoin. Funding fee is only slightly positive. My Bitcoin trade, $87,600 in the positive. It's a 441K Bitcoin trade, $87,600. My Ethereum trade, 12,000. It's pumping. Let's look at the markets. Congratulations, everyone who took the Bitcoin trade with me. We're going into the markets. In pre-market, Tesla's up. And Meta is up on the news. Nike is up 2%. Google is up 1%. Shh, sit. Gold is up 5%. TON up 2%. Bitcoin 1.6%, which is beautiful. TON and World pushing up like crazy. Let's go into Bitcoin. On the weekly charts, Bitcoin is still pushing up strong. 4 or 5 weekly candles in a row green. Stochastic heading up. Volume is pushing. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023 at 20K. Still a blue buy now. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a buy 2 weeks ago, and it's pushing up, which is beautiful. You get the Bitcoin Indicator Bot, Crypto Guru Bot in the master course, jamescryptoguru.com. On Bitcoin, we looked like we were going to roll over yesterday, but that news pushed it out. It activated my trade perfectly. We had the trade at 93,500. Congratulations, everyone who took that trade. Even yesterday, it activated again, 93,500. Now we're at 96,200. So $3,000 per Bitcoin gained. Big congratulations, even for the people who took the trade yesterday. If you took that trade, you're already up. You're already up 3% in 1 day, which is beautiful, or it's around $2,000 something per Bitcoin. Still in a bull flag, and it kind of looks like a cup and handle, to be honest, like a giant cup and handle. If we measure out this cup and handle, it's going to be a crazy target. If we measure out this cup and handle on Bitcoin, if you've taken the Crypto Mastercourse or the Stock Guru Mastercourse, you know what a cup and handle is. I'll show you a quick summary of, like a little bit of a summary of what it is, but it's not the full picture. This is a cup and handle. It moves the base of the cup, the distance of the base of the cup. So if we measure this out, this cup and handle here is huge. The target on Bitcoin is massive. If we measure out this cup and handle from peak to peak and measure it to the base, the distance that Bitcoin can move now is going to be a massive target. The target would be $116,913 for Bitcoin. 116,000, which is beautiful. If this pattern plays out on Bitcoin, 116,000 would be the target. And Bitcoin is pushing 96. There's going to be a lot of good news. If you haven't taken coming out, because now all the tariff news is going to be reversed. All that news that pushed the market down, they're going to reverse it for the midterms. As I said, that's what they usually do. When they first, who remembers when I was saying that when they first get in power, they always dump the markets? Biden did this, Trump did this his first term. When they first get in power, they massively dump the markets pretty much as soon as they get in office. Then it drops very bad, and from that point early on, they start to build it up going into the midterms and into the final vote after 4 years, because then they dump it in the beginning, everyone hates them, there's so much panic, and then in the midterms it's going up, and at the end of their presidency it's going up, and everybody loves them and supporting them. And they seem to do this quite often, and this seems to be what's happening right now. So if you haven't taken a trade, I would open at 90, I would say off the major support daily, weekly, 94,400, stop loss 93,400 below the yearly support, and take profit. I would take it to the 116k. If this is what Bitcoin is pumping while everyone's in fear and no one's buying and retail's not in, what happens when there's peak euphoria and retail is buying? I would open at 94,400, stop loss 93,400, and take profit 116, risk toward 24 times, risking $954 per Bitcoin to make $23,100. With no leverage, with 10x leverage, would be $230,000. 100x leverage would be $2.3 million profit. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Again, opening 94,400, stop loss 93,400, risks $1,954 per Bitcoin to make 23,000, 10x leverage, 230,000 profit, 100x leverage would be 2.3 million. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. I'm going to keep it short here, just on Bitcoin. I'll get this video out quick. The account pumping more, Bitcoin pumping even more, which is beautiful. I want to push out this video fast because Bitcoin is pumping right now. Let's read some of your comments. James, my brother, I'll cut your hair for one Bitcoin. Ethereum is looking weak, not moving much. 2 weeks, the volume. I think we've bottomed out here. In my opinion, we will go back to 80k. I don't think so. I think there was a lot of fear with Donald Trump, the tariffs. There was mass panic and capitulation, and we bought that dip. Now I'm waiting for the opposite. You are the king. Thanks. Bitcoin trade again started. Amazing, great, sir. Good morning, sir. Arb, what is wrong with Uni updates on Uni? So if there's more requests on Arb or Uni, I'll do in the James. I don't have money to take your courses. I would really want to take it. Make sure there'll be deals and stuff, guys, but make sure you take the courses before you start. Trump 70. Why did you not sell at 98k? Because I bought the peak fear and I'm going to keep it till peak euphoria. Join us in the Telegram. 285 of you online. There was just 1,600 messages. We will get a pullback before 70. Pump it up. Going 200 long on Bitcoin to 1 million people. Don't do 200 long. That's way too dangerous. 3 times. China confirms plans to begin trade negotiations with the United States, and that's what pumped the market like crazy. Big congratulations, everyone. Join him in the conversation. All the links are down below underneath the video. You can sign up to Bybit, 60k bonus. If you've been trading, losing money, or you have high fees or liquidation spikes, I recommend Bybit, best exchange for trading, second biggest one in the world. WeX gives you $200 bonus just for signing up. Only for signing up, $200 bonus for USA, UK, and Australia, and jamescryptoguru.com for the free Telegram and to take the Crypto Master Course and the Stock Guru Master Course. And you can see some people, comments from some of my students here. Took your course, bought a Harley Davidson Road King. Thanks, my 2K is 8K. I made $2 million from your videos. I bought a villa and made $500,000 in profit in Neo. I went all in 30K, just sold out this morning, made $4 million. Thanks, James. And I bought a Ferrari 430 Scuddy, and I've got thousands and thousands of comments like this, which is amazing. Big congratulations to all of you. Big congratulations, all of you. I'll do the next video. I'll do Ethereum, Uni, and Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on board. The stock market is about to pump now. All this unwind and this fear capitulation that happened because of the tariff news, because of all these different trade wars, now they're going to start resolving, and that's going to pump the market, going into midterm euphoria, in my opinion. Love you all. Love you all. Big congratulations. Only think what you want to have happen. Protect your thoughts. Think only what you want to have happen. Stop. Most people spend their lives thinking the opposite. Think only what you want to have happen. Every time you're going to have a negative thought, stop yourself. It's okay. Think 3 positive thoughts that replace that negative thought. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.